I don't know why they throw garbage like this. See, one good board is this one here, really, but I believe it's they tore a bunch of houses down here. I think they're putting condos here. But look at this here. See the junk trailer? They drop these trailers full of garbage and they leave them. Most likely that's what happened there, I think. There's been quite the developments going on. The whole area is changing big time. Maybe they put the trailer there, unload it, keep dumping garbage there. Look at this, full of garbage. Okay. Looks a lot of water in it. Should be fine if I leave it like that. Oh, some water's dripping out of it already. Oh well. Okay. Got metal here. I'm seeing more garbage out here, and they just had spring cleanup here in this area. It's like they forgot. I saw a stove on the way home, so if it's still there, I'm gonna grab it. The last house I did had 3 appliances in the yard. I had a dolly. And the van was empty. Could have took a couple. I could have took them all 3 actually. Okay, let's keep moving. Stove here. Someone probably took the door off already. I saw another appliance across the road that way. So the appliances are popping up everywhere now. See what time I saw, I could have cut that pipe. I'll take this for now. Look at the prices here. This is $110 for a bag. That's crazy. Wow. So how many come in there? 24 by 48, 11 inch. Or 11 inch? Might not be one. This stuff's expensive stuff. $132. Prices just get higher. This is 3.5. This is what I would need. That's pretty small, that one. Wow. 2x6 walls. Huh. Price is gonna be pretty high. Actually, I probably need great stuff. Big gap filler, window and door. Maybe one of these. Prices are really expensive for stuff nowadays. Crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to look at. I need actually some duct tape, metal foil tape, and sawzall blades. Diablo. Okay, what do we have here? I think right here, 6-inch 5, that's $21. No, 20, yeah, $21.47 for that. It's pretty expensive if I need that. No sales here, that's the problem. Everything is so expensive out here. Okay, let me just keep moving. There's a 2x8, 16 feet long. It's like $50 plus tax. 12% tax on there. $60 for one piece. Wow, it's incredible. Crazy. Wow. Okay, crazy. This is what I got here. This is over $100 right there. It's nothing. Over 100. Come on, stupid door. Okay, so what I end up getting, I need one for the washroom. I need one that's really rusty. I think I need one like that. Those are like $10 each or so. This is like $15. And then I needed this maybe for this shower tub, this cleaner, and then I bought this tape and I bought these blades. $102, something like that. Crazy. It's nothing. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other property and figure out where we're gonna put different wiring and so on. Okay.